Continuing on, CNC Group break number 4385. We're on to the 1415 SPX and Trilogy. Starting with the SPX. Alright. We've got a Flashback Fabrics for the Colorado Avalanche, Rob Blake. We've got a retro die cut for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Alexander Wenberg. We've got a rookie for the Chicago Blackhawks, Scott Darling. We've got a rookie materials for the San Jose Sharks, Chris Tierney. We've got a rookie for the Minnesota Wild, Christian Folin. Retro die cut for the New York Rangers, Kevin Hayes. Rookie for the New York Islanders, Johan Sundstrom. We've got a rookie jersey autograph, number to 399 for the Arizona Coyotes, Mark Byzantine. Retro die cut for the San Jose Sharks, Joe Thornton. Rookie for the Colorado Avalanche, Borna Rendulic. We've got a redemption for... Oh, that's a really big hit. We've got a redemption for a rookie autograph, number to 199 for the Boston Bruins, David Pastrnak. David Pastrnak, rookie auto, number to 199 for the Boston Bruins. And we've got a retro die cut for the Montreal Canadiens, Max Pacioretty. Now for the finite topper, which has a finite rookie emerald short print, number to 199 for the Edmonton Oilers, Leon Draisaitl. Leon Draisaitl at 199 for the Edmonton Oilers. All right, now on to the Trilogy. Alright, we got a Radiance Blue Level 2 rookie autograph, number to 225 for the Arizona Coyotes, Brandon Gormley. We've got a Triptychs jersey, number to 421 for the LA Kings, Jonathan Quick. We've got an Upper Deck Crystal Premiers, number to 399 for the Buffalo Sabres, Sam Reinhart. Number to 399 for the Sabres. We've got a Radiance Green Parallel, number 33 of 53 for the Montreal Canadiens, PK Subban. PK Subban out of 53 for the Canadiens. We've got a redemption for... this could be a few teams, so we're going to have to double check it. We've got a redemption for a signature pucks. Teemu Selanne. Teemu Selanne signature pucks, so that could be the Ducks, Sharks, or the old Jets, which would be the Coyotes. Teemu Selanne signature pucks, if anybody wants to double check that for us. We've got a Radiance Blue Level 2 rookie autograph number to 225 for the New Jersey Devils, Damon Severson. Could be the Avs too, yeah. Damon Severson. Got a Radiance Blue rookie number to 499 for the Washington Capitals, Evgeny Kuznetsov. Evgeny Kuznetsov. We've got a rookie to 799 for the Florida Panthers, Vincent Trocheck. That Teemu's for the Ducks. Yeah, that makes sense. And we've got a rookie to 799 for the New York Islanders, Griffin Reinhart. All right, good up next, Ultimate and Dominion.